Ever wondered how to connect with your friends and family on Facebook, but don't know how to create an account? Welcome to the digital world where Facebook reigns supreme. An essential platform, it serves as a bridge, connecting us to our loved ones, regardless of distance. With Facebook, we can share our life's precious moments, voice our thoughts, and even discover new interests. It's more than just a social network. It's a global community that brings the world closer. So, ready to dive in? Let's begin the journey of creating your Facebook account. The process of creating a Facebook account is simple and straightforward. Let's begin by turning our attention to the Facebook website or app, depending on your preference. If you're using a computer, open up your favorite web browser and type in www.facebook.com. On the other hand, if you're more comfortable on your smartphone, head over to your device's app store, search for the Facebook app and download it. Now, whether you're on the website or the app, look towards the top right corner. You'll see a button or a link that says Create New Account. It's usually in a prominent spot, so it should be easy to find. If you're having trouble locating it, don't worry. Just take a moment, look around the page, and you'll find it. Once you've found the Create New Account button, you're ready for the next step. So buckle up as we dive into the world of Facebook and explore how to fill in your details in the next section. Now comes the part where you need to fill in your details. This stage is crucial as it's the foundation of your Facebook account. The information you provide here is what will help your friends, family, and possibly even some old acquaintances find you on this platform. First off, you'll need to enter your name. Make sure to use your real name as per Facebook's community standards. This makes it easier for people to recognize and connect with you. Next is your phone number or email address. This is a key piece of information as it will be used for all future logins and account recovery purposes. So make sure you have access to the email or phone number you enter here. Then you'll be asked to create a password. This is your first line of defense against any unauthorized access to your account. So create a strong password. Mix in uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to make it hard to guess. After that, you'll need to provide your date of birth. This is another crucial detail, as Facebook uses it to provide age-appropriate experiences. Lastly, you'll be asked to specify your gender. This is used to personalize your experience on the platform. Remember, providing accurate information is vital for a seamless Facebook experience. With your details filled in, you're just a step away from having your own Facebook account. You've filled in your details and you're almost there. Now, it's time to finalize your Facebook account creation. The process is straightforward. All you need to do is click the Sign Up button. Simple as that. But hold on, we're not done yet. After clicking Sign Up, Facebook will send you a verification message. This could be sent to your email address or your phone number, depending on what you provided. Don't worry, it's just Facebook making sure it's really you. So go ahead and verify your account. It's as easy as clicking the link in the email or entering the code sent to your phone number. Now, let's give your account a face. Set up your profile picture. It could be a cool selfie, a picture of your favorite pet, or even your favorite vacation spot. It's totally up to you. And there you have it, your own Facebook account, ready to connect you with friends and family. So, you see, creating a Facebook account is as easy as 1, 2, 3. We started with the basics, visiting the Facebook homepage and clicking on Create New Account. We then ventured into the heart of the process, filling out our personal details. Remember, accuracy is key here. The name you use should be your real name as per Facebook's community standards. Next, we set a strong password. This is your first line of defense against potential hackers, so make it unique and hard to guess. Once we had our details in place, we finalized the account creation by confirming our email or phone number. It's a simple process, but one that opens up a world of possibilities. You can now connect with friends, join groups, follow pages, and much more. The digital world is at your fingertips. Now that you have your Facebook account, you're ready to explore and connect. Happy networking!